0xc0000f. Your PC won't boot? Let's fix that in just a few minutes. You might see a blue or black screen saying your PC needs to be repaired. It might say something about boot configuration data or winload.efi. It might have happened after an update, crash, or random failure. This is the fix. I've had to rebuild hundreds of boot configs across enterprise and personal machines. To fix this, you're going to need a second working computer and at least an 8 GB USB drive. Go to Microsoft.com, software-download/Windows 10 or 11. 11 is the most recent. Click Download Now for Create Windows 11 installation media. Double-click the Media Creation tool. Hit Yes. Hit Accept. Next, select the flash drive from the list. Keep in mind, if there's anything on the USB, it will be erased, so please back up your files if you have anything on it. Once completed, now plug the USB into the broken PC. Now power it on and tap the BIOS key immediately. BIOS keys can include F2, F12, delete key, or escape. Should open up a menu that looks like this, or similar. Mine looks a little different, but you want to look for boot configuration settings on your specific BIOS. You're looking for the option Change Boot Order, or you may see some arrows to move the boot sequence. Change the order so that the USB is first, then hit F10 and save and exit. The window installer will load. Pick your language and hit Next. Do not click Install. Click Repair Your Computer in the bottom left. Hit Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Command prompt will open on the X drive. That's normal, it's a temp drive. Find your actual Windows drive letter before doing anything. Diskpart, List, Volume. Look for the largest NTFS volume. That letter could be C, D, or E. Type Exit to leave Diskpart. Run these one at a time. bootrec/scanos, bootrec/fixmbr, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/rebuild BCD. If fixboot says access is denied, type bootsect/nt60 sys, then run rebuild BCD again. When rebuild BCD asks add installation to boot list, type Y. If it finds multiple installations or a path with windows.old, type N for that one. Y for the one that just says Windows. Type exit, click continue, and pull out the USB as it restarts. If Windows loads and you can see the normal login screen, all your files intact, congratulations, you just fixed it yourself. If it's still broken, go back into your command prompt from the USB, run it using your drive letter from the Diskpart step. Start with sfc/scannow, then check disk, substitute your drive letter from before, R. Check disk can take over 30 minutes, don't interrupt it. Restart after it finishes. If rebuild BCD says 0 installations found, the disk may be MBR on a UEFI system. Search convert MBR to GPT without data loss. Fix that first, then rerun these commands. Final option is a clean install. A corrupted partition could mean that a clean install is the last resort. Comment your exact error message if you're still stuck. Subscribe so the next person with this error finds this over a 10-minute video.